3. Georges Energy has connected the world's first 16-megawatt offshore wind turbine to the power grid in the Taiwan Strait. The turbine has a massive 260-meter rotor diameter and stands on a 152-meter tower. Each of its 3 blades is 123 meters long and weighs 54 tons. The turbine will supply clean energy to approximately 36,000 Chinese homes and is expected to contribute about 66 gigawatt-hours annually. It is designed to withstand winds up to 179 miles per hour, 287 kilometers per hour, and will be tested against the area's typhoon-prone conditions. The turbine is located in the Fujian offshore wind farm and benefits from a natural wind tunnel effect. Offshore wind turbines are continually growing in size, with an 18-megawatt turbine already under construction, and the possibility of a 20 MW turbine announcement soon. Fervo Energy has developed a revolutionary next-generation geothermal technology that has become the most productive enhanced geothermal plant in history. Traditional geothermal plants have limitations, and geothermal energy currently contributes only a small fraction of global renewable energy. Fervo's solution involves horizontal drilling techniques and pressurized fluid injection to create custom fractured resources with high permeability, ensuring reliable steam production and higher power output. The company's first full-scale commercial pilot, Project Red in Nevada, achieved a flow rate of 63 liters per second and produces 3.4 megawatts of power. The company envisions a 3-stage commercialization plan to scale up geothermal energy production significantly and contribute to firming up renewable-based power grids. Fervo Energy has raised approximately $187 million in funding and is well positioned to make a significant impact in the clean energy sector. A Japanese team of scientists is preparing to conduct a clinical trial for an experimental drug that may enable humans to grow new teeth. The trial, scheduled for July 2024, will initially focus on participants with tooth agenesis, a genetic condition that causes the absence of teeth. The researchers discovered an antibody for uterine sensitization-associated gene 1, USAG1, that can stimulate new tooth growth in mice and ferrets. With tooth agenesis, USAG1 interacts with other proteins to suppress tooth growth, and blocking this interaction triggers bone morphogenetic protein (BMP) signaling, leading to new tooth growth. If successful, the treatment could be available for general use by 2030, potentially revolutionizing dental care and allowing humans to grow new teeth. Chinese company Unitree has released its second-generation robot dog companion, the Geo2, available for pre-orders. The Geo2 can follow humans at jogging speeds, perform gymnastic feats, and features a GPT-enabled speech engine for natural language conversation and code writing. The base model costs $1,600 and can reach speeds of 5.6 miles per hour, while the Pro model costs $2,800 and can go up to 7.8 miles per hour. The robot dog is equipped with wide-angle LiDAR and HD cameras for real-time mapping and navigation, allowing it to follow humans while avoiding obstacles and difficult terrain. The Pro model's GPT-enabled speech engine allows users to converse with the robot dog and even request it to write code in response to verbal commands. The Geo2 has been criticized for its unusual design, including prominent plastic nipples, and is mainly seen as a novelty toy for now, although it may have some practical applications in the future. The pricing for the robot dog can go up to $4,200 with additional accessories, and it has been noted that similar products from other companies are significantly more expensive. Scientists have discovered that the natural sugar mannose could enhance cancer treatments like chemotherapy by triggering honeybee syndrome in cancer cells. Mannose is found in various fruits and naturally occurs in the human body, where it plays a role in glycosylation, stabilizing protein structures, and facilitating interactions with other molecules. While mannose is known to slow the growth of certain cancers, the mechanism was not fully understood until now. Researchers found that human fibrosarcoma cells, a rare type of cancer, replicated slower and became more susceptible to chemotherapy when their metabolism of mannose was controlled. The triggered honeybee syndrome in cancer cells hindered their ability to synthesize DNA building blocks and replicate normally, leading to anti-cancer effects observed in the lab. Using Manus as a secondary cancer treatment is promising due to its common occurrence in the human body, potentially resulting in few side effects. However, further research is needed to determine its effectiveness against specific cancer types. Revolute Robotics has developed the Hybrid Mobility Robot, HMR, an autonomous spherical cage that can fly like a multicopter and roll in any direction, using 2 gyroscopic gimbal rings. The lightweight exoskeleton of the robot acts as a shock absorber for landings and helps isolate key electronics from excessive vibration during rough terrain navigation. The HMR is designed to run autonomously, rolling where possible, and using flight mode to overcome obstacles or assist in rolling up steep inclines. Revolute plans to market the HMR as an autonomous inspection robot for confined spaces, such as pipelines, utilizing its flight mode to climb vertical sections that wheeled robots cannot access. The company also envisions potential applications in mining, search and rescue, bomb disposal, and military use, where the robot can provide multiple perspectives on a target through intelligent swarm capabilities. Revolute has raised $115,000 through a Start Engine crowdfunding campaign to prepare the HMR for commercial deployment and manufacturing. Vanus, a French smart telescope maker, introduces Hestia, a book-sized telescope designed to make astronomy more accessible by leveraging a smartphone's camera sensor. Hestia measures 17 x 25 x 5.5 centimeters and weighs 500 grams, featuring 30mm optics with 6 lenses in 3 groups. The telescope routes light through prisms to focus towards the smartphone's camera array, allowing users to take photographs of celestial objects. The setup works with a companion mobile app that combines multiple short exposure images to create an enhanced view of the night sky through the telescope's lens. Hestia can be equipped with a solar filter to view sunspots and monitor the activity of the sun. Kickstarter pledges start at $149, with shipping estimated to begin in December, allowing users to prepare for the April 2024 total solar eclipse. Adventure Board is a Colorado company offering a versatile outdoor fun board for kids and adults. Initially designed as an inflatable backyard bounce board, it evolved into the Adventure Board, suitable for all-terrain adventures. The Adventure Board can be used for trampoline bouncing as a floating lounge, on-water trampoline, paddleboard, sled, inflatable mattress, and bike ramp. It features drop-stitch construction and comes in 10-16 and 23-foot lengths with a 5-year warranty. Prices range from $799 to $1,399, and the boards are inflatable and portable for easy transport and storage.